is crying. Do you want a toy? Let me get you a toy. Here you go. Nice little toy, Candy Cat. Oh, what's wrong, baby? Maybe you're hungry. Let me check in the fridge. There's 2 eggs. Steak. Steak is not for a baby. How about on this side? Oh no, it's all empty. Just the eggs and steak? Baby cannot eat that. Mommy! Mommy! Brother is crying. He must be hungry. What is it, darling? Do you have any problem? Baby brother is crying. He must be hungry, Mommy. And there's no food in the fridge.
I know, sweetheart. We need to go grocery shopping. But there's 1 milk left in there for your brother.
I didn't see it, Mommy. Maybe here? Oh yeah, I found it.
I'll feed your brother. Don't worry about it. Go get yourself ready. We need to go grocery shopping.
Hi, it's Barbie. What are you shopping for today?
I don't know. We have to find out. Hey guys, it's playtime today. We have the new Barbie cash register. This set is recommended for kids ages 3 years old and up. Alright, let's take it out from the box. It's a pretty cash register with a nice color, pink, and details of blue and a little bit of yellow right here. The scanner is pink and white. The drawer, let's see how we can open this. Maybe this one. There you go. Oh, there's no money. Maybe it's in here. Let's see. Yep. Here you go. We got the money. Here we got some paper bills. In the yellow, we have $10. In the blue, we have $5. In pink, we have $1. And the coins, we got 3 coins. The biggest coin is 25 cents. The medium-sized coin is 5 cents and the smallest coin is, let's see, 10 cents. On this side, we have the credit card. Pink Barbie credit card. This is the key, pretend key. Oh, you can open the drawer here or here. Look. Yay! We're waiting for the first customer. We got cookies, milk. This is very important. Pineapple juice, fish, melon drink, orange juice, apple juice. Whoa, that's a lot of juices.
What are you shopping for today? Hi, it's Barbie.
Oh, this one looks delicious. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. The total is $48.50. Here's my card.
It was great shopping with you.
Misha 2, Misha 2, Misha 2.
That's a great selection.
Next customer, please. Oh, it looks like a nice toy. Minnie Mouse milk. Kinder Joy surprise egg. Minnie Mouse soup. Another Kinder Joy surprise egg. Watermelon. Carrot. Grapes. Tomato or tomato. Total is $38.80.
It was great shopping with you.
Alright, let's open the toy surprises. Starting with the Kinder Joy surprise egg. Next we're gonna open is the Mulang Push and Peel Pop, or Mulang. Pop. Wow, lots of surprises inside. Got one. Two, three, wow, four, and five. Let's see what's in here. It looks like a luggage. Look at that, super cute. And here's the first one. Let's open another surprise. We got another luggage. It looks like we're going to Mexico. What do you think? He got two luggages. What is this? A globe. Yep, we're traveling around the world. One last surprise. Whoa, look at this little thing. She got a camera, a hat. We still have surprises to open? Yes, we do. We have the Kinder Joy, another Kinder Joy. Chocolate here. And the toy. We got a cute bunny. A watercolor bunny. Mini watercolor. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, more toys and surprises, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one everyone. Take care.
Misie 2, misie 2, misie 2, misie szare, misie